Get your $100 online without spending money. How? In today's video, I'm sharing 14 completely free apps that you can use to start earning money from your phone, computer, or laptop. Find out which of these apps even gives you a $250 bonus just for signing up. First app, Cash. The first app on the list provides a $250 bonus when you sign up for an account. It allows you to play video games and earn money online without any cost. These games can pay anywhere from $10 to $250 in free spins. With a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, this is impressive for a money-making app. Additionally, it offers various tasks to complete for ongoing earnings, and you can cash out instantly through PayPal, crypto, Amazon gift cards, or other gift card options. The website is called cash.gg. To start, simply click on the Sign Up or Join Now button, register, and select a username. Once done, you'll have access to a variety of offers and games. While these apps won't make you rich, they can provide some extra income. Be sure to check the Rewards tab daily for spins and other earning opportunities. Keep in mind, none of these apps require you to pay. This is all about helping you earn your first $100 without spending money. Second app, IM. The second app is called IM, and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. This app gives you the opportunity to sell photos that you take using your phone. According to research, users have successfully earned over $100 by selling their images through the platform. In fact, one blog even highlighted a case where someone earned more than $1,000 by selling photos, showcasing the app's potential for generating a decent income if you have quality images to offer. Third app, Merari. The third app is Merari.com, a user-friendly platform that allows you to sell various items from your home at no cost. Whether you have old toys, perfumes, clothing, or other household goods, you can easily list them for sale. By taking clear photos and providing accurate descriptions, you can attract buyers and potentially earn over $100, depending on the value of the items you're selling. Merari is a great option for turning unused or unwanted items into extra cash without the need for upfront fees. Fourth app, Plug. Next, we have Plug, a platform where you can generate income by promoting various apps as an affiliate. While some top earners have reported making over $5,000 within just 24 hours, the average user tends to earn around $100 per month. The way it works is simple. You refer others to download and install apps for free, and for each successful referral, you receive a payout, with some apps offering up to $5 per installation. This makes it an accessible option for steady earnings without requiring any upfront costs. Fifth app, Audible. The fifth app on the list is Audible, which primarily works on laptops and computers, but can also be accessed from a phone through a browser. With this app, you can earn $5 every time someone signs up for a free account using your referral link. Each person you refer to will receive 2 free audiobooks as an incentive, and you'll be rewarded with $5 for each successful sign-up. To accumulate over $100, you would need to refer around 20 people. This is a simple and effective way to earn extra money by promoting a widely popular audiobook service. Sixth app, Survey Party. The sixth app on the list is called Survey Party, and it's accessible on both iOS and Android devices. Each survey typically pays between $2.50 and $3, and with consistent participation, you can accumulate earnings that could total up to $100. Although it won't make you rich, it's a straightforward method to generate extra income in your spare time. Seventh app, School. The seventh app, School, provides a platform where you can create and grow your own online community while earning money. This app allows users to establish communities around specific topics or skills, such as fitness, coding, or chess. By offering valuable content or expertise, you can charge members a monthly subscription fee. Over time, with a growing user base, you have the potential to generate passive income, possibly making over $100 per month or more, depending on your community's size and engagement level. Eighth app, TapMob. The eighth app is TapMob, a platform where you can promote offers as an affiliate. You receive $8 for each email address you collect, and it takes approximately 12 emails to reach $100. Personally, I have made over $45,000 using this app. Ninth app, Listverse. Next on the list is Listverse, a platform that pays $100 for each blog article you submit. You'll need to write the article yourself without relying on AI tools. By reviewing articles that have been previously approved, you can get a sense of the topics that are accepted and increase your chances of earning $100 per article. 10th app, YouTube Studio. The 10th app on our list is YouTube Studio, which I utilize for managing faceless YouTube automation channels. This app allows you to oversee analytics, reply to comments, and operate channels that can bring in substantial earnings. 11th app, TaskRabbit. The 11th app is TaskRabbit, a platform where you can find tasks to complete for others, such as assembling furniture. If you need assistance with such tasks, you can hire someone through the app. Additionally, you can sign up as a tasker and earn money by completing jobs. This app is primarily available in the US and similar countries. 12th app, Ibata. The 12th app is Ibata, which offers a referral program where you earn $7 for each person you refer. Additionally, new users receive cashback, which encourages them to join. To earn over $100, you'll need to refer approximately 13 people. 13th app, Teachable. 13th on our list is Teachable, a platform that enables you to sell digital products such as PDFs or comprehensive step-by-step guides. To make use of Teachable effectively, you can leverage ChatGPT to generate detailed content. Simply input a prompt into ChatGPT to receive a well-structured guide or tutorial. Once you have your content, you can convert it into a PDF format using tools like Google Docs or Adobe Acrobat. After preparing your PDF, upload it to Teachable, where you can set up your sales page and start offering it to your audience. Teachable provides a way to monetize your knowledge and skills by selling digital products directly to consumers. 14th app, Field Agent. The 14th app on our list is Field Agent, a platform that enables you to perform various small tasks for other people. This can include tasks like checking store displays, taking photos of products, or completing simple surveys. Users of Field Agent have reported earning as much as $120 in a single day by completing these jobs. This app offers a flexible way to make money on the side, especially if you're looking for opportunities to earn extra income without committing to a full-time job. The tasks are generally straightforward and can be done in your local area, making it a convenient option for many. So far, you have learned these 14 apps which offer many ways to earn your first $100 online. Again, these apps are as follows: Cash, IM, Merari, Plug, Audible, Survey Party, School, TapMob, Listverse, YouTube Studio, TaskRabbit, Ibata, Teachable, and Field Agent. And hey, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Out of the apps we covered today, which one are you most excited to try first? Comment below with your pick and any experiences you've had with similar apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.